Welcome to the Jeep Bank, presented by Gainz Media and hosted by RobDiddy. You are now about to watch amateur Jeep Cherokee XJ repairs and fixes.
Been driving my XJ for the last half hour. No problems at all. Heat says 260. I put in some radiator, stop leak. First, this video is dedicated to all the things I put into in the last month of fixing this. We started off with a leak from the freeze plug, the one in the top of the manifold behind the engine. We took it to a mechanic who would not fix it, so he told me to use JB Weld. Also, we used two things of JB Weld, high temperature, partially got the freeze plug fixed. Now, we were still leaking, we were still overheating, we were still running rough, we were still idling like shit. So what I did is I bought a $30 head gasket repair kit, basically an additive. I'll throw that in here. Now, what that did is it stopped our leak. We overheated like 3 times to fix the freeze plug on my 99 Jeep Cherokee, which is a very complicated thing. I'm making a video on it that just crashed, but in reality, the mechanic wouldn't do it because it would cost more money to take the engine out, replace engine harnesses and things that broke from the oldness, and he couldn't guarantee his work, and it would cost more than the car is worth. So I had to by myself, with my dad's help, with no mechanical expertise, pure amateur, learn how to fix a coolant system and fix a air pressure and fuel mixture situation that left my car dying. Yesterday I was stuck at the light at 12 mile Haggerty for 20 minutes because my car wouldn't start because it was overheating. While it was overheating from the distributor cap, I replaced the distributor cap, fixed the spark plug, ran some additives to the radiator and the cooling system, and finally it seems like we are in business. So this next podcast is going to be mostly about